The world teaches us to be louder, faster, and busier. It tells us that silence means weakness. But some people discover a different truth, that peace is not found in noise, it is found beyond it. There was a man surrounded by noise, messages, opinions, and expectations. Everyone wanted his time, everyone wanted answers, yet inside his mind never rested. He loved with people, but feels tired when he was alone, not from work, but from constantly reacting, explaining himself, competing without knowing why. But one day he paused. He didn't quit life, he quit unnecessary noise. He stopped reacting to every opinion, stopped providing himself to everyone. He chose fewer words, fewer distractions, and fewer arguments. And in that quiet space, he found clarity. Peace gave him strength that noise never could. Peace is not weakness, it is self-respect. Not everything deserves your energy. Not every voice deserves your attention.
Piece by piece, we let it grow.
If life feels too loud today, step back. Silence may not change the world, but it will change you.